If it's meant to be, it will happen. No need to stress over it. Find your happiness inside, because nothing else can truly give it to you. Stick with the things that make you feel alive, not just comfortable. Surround yourself with people who see you for who you really are. Make peace with where you've been, it's part of the story. Never let giving up be an option. Not now, not ever. You always have the power to choose your next step. Stop chasing what keeps slipping away. Miracles are real. Believe in them. Always trust your gut. It knows what your heart needs. You can't change people, but you can love them as they are. Change is part of the process. Don't fight it. Forgive yourself for the things you didn't know back then. Just be yourself and everything will fall into place.